to my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Vision School. Today I am going to take mathematics class 4, class 3. And our today's topic is place value, and it is part 1. Our today's lecture 11 and HW is 10. You have to submit your HW on your campus at next Saturday. Now look here. Here is a question. Write the place value of the following numbers. Look here. Here is the three numbers. Number 1, 5,928. Number 2, 6,475. Number 3, 8,204. Now we have to write the place value of these numbers. 5,928. My dear students, you have already known that 8 is ones place, 2 is tens place, 9 is hundred place, and 5 is thousand place. Now you have to write the place value of these numbers. 8 ones. 8 ones. That means 8 multiply 1 equal 8. Here is 2. 2 is in tens place. So here is 2 tens. 2 tens. 2 tens equal 20. 2 tens equal 20. Now here is 9. 9 in hundred place. So 900. You can also use here a small letter 900s, that means 900. Now the last digit here is 5. So it is 5,000. 5,000. 5,000, that means 5000. This is the place value. My dear students, you have to mention these lines equal 8 is ones place, 0 is ones place, here is 0 is ones place, and here is 0 also ones place. So you have to mention these lines. Then here is 2 is tens place, here is 0 is tens place, here is 0 is also tens place. So you have to also mention these tens place numbers. Here is 9 and 0 is hundred place. So you have to mention these hundred place numbers, and 5 is thousand place numbers. So first one is 5,928. Now number 2. 6,475. So here is similar way. 5 is ones place, so 5 ones. 5 ones means 5. Then here is 7 tens. 7 tens. 7 tens means 7 multiplied by 10. So here it will be 70. Now here is 400. 400 means 4 multiplied by 100. Here is 400. Now last digit is here 6. 6,000. That means 6000. So this is the place value of 6,475. Look here. Here I mentioned the place value of ones 5,000, tens 700, 100, 40, and 6 is thousand place. Now question number 3. 8,204. That means 4 is here ones place. 4 ones equal 4. 0 tens. 0 tens, tens zeros are 0. So here it will be 0 and 0. 200 equal 200, and the last digit is here 8000, that is 8000. So this is the place value of 8204. My dear students, I again repeat that 4000 is ones place. You have to mention these digits are in the same line. 000 is the tens place digit, so you have to mention these lines. 20 is the 100 place, so you have to mention these lines, and 8 is 1000 place, so you have to mention these lines. My dear students, hope you understood how can we write the place value of a number. Now practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.